Oh, someone doing a burnout? Sounded like someone was doing a burnout on the bridge. Well, hey there, ladies and gentlemen. How's it going today? This is where that guy crashed on that bike I talked about in the last video, right here. Woo! Right into the ditch. Fucking guy. I hope the microphone is good on here, because I took this thing out riding a couple days ago and it was extremely windy. I ended up losing the little microphone wind cover on the end of my mic. I got enough wind up my helmet, tore that shit right off. So I ended up making one out of some hot glue and some Bigfoot ass hair that I found in the woods behind my house. So hopefully it'll act kind of like a dead cat. I didn't really want to kill a cat to make a dead cat, so I figured, well, I'll just get some Bigfoot hair. I should have got like back hair or something, because this ass hair really stinks. Starting to get more comfortable on this thing. I've only been on it like 3-4 times, but the corners I'm starting to feel better with, so that's always a plus. Oh, that's nice. Stopped at my buddy's house for about 10 minutes there, and it just gets so hot, and now I'm sweaty, and the wind feels friggin' awesome. Big old tractor cruising down the road. So I went out to the lake this weekend, did some wakeboarding. I don't know how many of you guys do the wakeboarding. It's kind of fun, I suppose, but wake surfing, in my opinion, is much better. But anyways, we did some wakeboarding, and I crashed like super hard. I'm still sore. That was on Saturday. It is now Monday evening, and I am sore as fuck. Basically, I was just carving. I can't do any tricks, so I was just carving around, and then I ended up carving a little weird to the left, and it hucked me again right, and then so my back was to the boat, and I knew I was screwed, so I let go of the rope, and my back edge, my heel side edge, dug right in, and I just fucking boom! It's like as hard as you could imagine. Slam my back and my neck and my head right down on the water, and it hurt so bad. And so I only did a half day of work today because it was so sore, but I'm not sore enough for biking, because biking is real nice. A deer out there. Man, that would suck to have a deer run out in front of you when you're biking. Oh, I couldn't even imagine. That would be terrible. I was wondering who goes camping on a Monday afternoon, but apparently Albertans do, because they're not working, obviously. Good for you, Alberta. Go for a little walk down this hill here. Definitely need a rock. This is a really good spot to jump off here. Not super high, and you can get up over there. There's some falls that way, and there's a bridge that I came across that way. And birds fucking around, flying around. Jump off that bridge a lot too. I haven't done that in a few years, but it's a really good time. It's not super high. The water is friggin' amazing. I remember jumping off here one time. I don't know if you could see the it's not a sandbar, it's just a shallow spot out there. And I seem to remember it being more this way, because I remember jumping off and almost like swooping under and hitting it with my ass. Kind of sketchy. It's like fucking bones. It's like there was a bird nest down there and a bird eating some bones of something. Pretty cool. It's funny how many looks you get with a bright green crotch rocket. It seems like everywhere I go there's dudes just staring like, oh my god, that guy's gay, or oh my god, that guy's awesome. I'm not gay, but I sure am awesome. Jeez, I'm gonna have to trim this Sasquatch butt hair. It's getting all in my mouth. On my nose. I don't know if you guys remember, but I said my speedometer was out, and it's actually way out. So what I want to kind of try to do here is I have a speedometer on this thing, and it's going to tell me how fast I'm going. But, well, I need to get it to stay in here somehow. Don't have anything to like hold it down with. Okay, I hope that doesn't fall out. So 65 is 50, 100 is 75, so it's 25% out. That's all I really needed to know, and I don't really feel like riding around with my phone up there. So at 100 kilometers an hour according to my bike, I'm going 75, which is good to know, so I don't get any tickets or anything. Well, that was kind of a fun ride. It's hard to ride with the sun in your eyes like that. Kind of sketchy, but not a whole lot of people out here right now, so I'm sure I'll make it. Well, this is gonna go and finish up this motovlog for today. If you guys liked it, don't forget that thumbs up. If you didn't like it, let me know why, and don't forget to sub if you haven't subbed already. Thanks a lot. See you guys next time. Pretty sure I just got stung on my neck by a bee. Because it kinda hurts. Like right in the fucking throat. Motherfucker! Fucking bastard. Ow!